What is it? Oh,
this is shark.
Shark.
Shark meat.
Right. What's it doing hanging up like this?
They let them stay in boxes in 2 months.
2 months in boxes?
2 months in the boxes, yes, and you put the rocks on and let them...
Doesn't it go mouldy?
Yes, let them molding up. And you see, if you eat this meat now, here, it's very, very, very tough.
So they use all kinds of sharks, yeah?
Yes, all kinds. But in other countries, shark are eating people, but we eat shark.
What have we got here? What's that?
This here,
Yeah.
we have seal hands.
Seal hands.
Then we have testicle from sheep.
From sheep?
Sheep, yes.
Oh.
You must taste this testicles.
I must.
Yes, you must. It's okay. Like some more?
No, thanks. God, what's that? Is that shark?
It's very good.
Let's move straight on to the rancid shark.
Yes. Yeah, all inside. Yes. I'm here to help you.
I mean, I'm not saying it's disgusting. It's just like I'm just not used to it, perhaps. What, and this as well? Mm-hmm. And swallow it.
Yes.
It's like medicine.